Guys, back in the shop today. We've got the Firebird done on the dyno, so we've been getting everything ready, been slam busy trying to get this car done. We're going to take the first race in Street Car Takeover Bowling Green this coming weekend. So we just put on the dyno, made sure boost controller worked, made sure trans brake worked, mount block worked. Just get a quick fuel map. We quit tuning it at 19 pounds of boost, and it made 1,049.28. I'll show you all the number. And so that's 19 pounds, low timing, so we have plenty of room to grow. So yeah, we're definitely gonna be able to turn it up, put more time in it. We probably put another 4 or 5 degrees time in, another 10 pounds of boost easy. So we're gonna go through that. So we'll do a quick run through the car. We haven't done that on this thing since we finished it, so we'll do that real quick. So twin turbo LS on alcohol, twin 80mm turbos. Obviously we done all the piping, done everything on it. It's got a belt driven fuel pump, precision 550 injectors, stock block, 6.0 block. So we'll see how far we can push that. Inside the car, we're wired, obviously running Haltech Elite 2500T. So here's kind of the inside, you know, 2 seats for a street car. Yeah, this is it. So we're hopefully going to be done and ready to go. And the car's pretty much done. As you can see here, we've been working on tune up in Haltech. So yeah, we're definitely ready to test this thing. We're hopefully gonna get some test passes Friday. Make sure it goes straight. Make sure everything's doing what it's supposed to. So yeah, guys, make sure you're subscribed and turn on those post notifications so that way you all be able to keep up with it. Also, we'll do a bunch of videos on this thing. Obviously, it's our house car. So yeah, make sure to share, comment on it, tell us what else you want to see. So we've got a bunch of stuff going on in the shop, and we'll try to keep you all updated as much as we can. Thanks for watching.